and welcome back to another Sauerpuss Follow-A-Long.
Yippee!
All you need is a blank piece of paper and a pencil. If you're ready, let's begin.
Let's be creative! Yay, yay, yay!
As you draw along with me, try to guess what I am drawing. We'll begin this follow-along with 2 circles, one for the head and one for the body. Next, we'll add 2 shapes behind the body, and these shapes will be the wings. Do you have a guess what I am drawing? This little creature is often seen in the summertime.
Summer, so fun!
And you often see this creature flying around flowers. And now, after adding some details to the eyes, let's add the mouth. And let's make this creature a happy creature. Okay, let's add a few more details to our creature to help you guess what it is. I bet by now you've guessed what it is. It starts with the letter B, one of my favorite letters. That's right, it's a bumblebee. And now, let's just add a few more details to this drawing. And why not add one more small little bumblebee? It's always nice to have another friend around.
That looks really good, Sauerpuss! Way to go!
Why, thank you, Penny. Penny is sure a good friend to have around. She's always cheering me on. Let's finish up this drawing by adding a few more motion lines. I sure hope you've enjoyed this follow-along. Till next time, have fun drawing, and remember to
Be creative!